Ever wondered how to give your online store a unique look with custom fonts? In this video, I'll show you how to easily add custom fonts to the themes by Sales Hunter Themes theme and make your site stand out. Please note that if you're not familiar with coding, please contact our support team to get help. Okay, let's start with step 1, is prepare your font files. First, find the font you love. Make sure it's available in a web-friendly format like TTF. Then, use a free tool like Transfer Fonter to convert it to WAF2 format for better performance on your store. Remember, always check the font license to ensure you can use it online. Move to step 2 is upload font files to your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to Content then Files. Click Upload File and upload 2 previously downloaded font files. Step 3 is add font face declarations to your theme's CSS. Now, we'll use some code to tell your theme about the new font. In the left toolbar, choose Online Store, then Themes. Click Actions on your theme and select Edit Code. In the code editor, locate the theme.liquid file within the layout. Add the following code snippet at the beginning of the file, replacing your font twi that we uploaded in Shopify files before. Replace your actor name with your actual font name and update URL for Fontiro loft type in your phone like and your mot yours. In this example, I have the font name as the one I uploaded before, and the code will be like this. The fourth step is set your custom font as the default font click. In the same theme.liquid file, find the code that sets the font for your headings or body text depending on where you want to use it. Replace the existing font names with your own. In this example, I will customize the heading font, so the code will look like this. The last step is save and preview your changes. Once you've made your changes, save your theme's code. Now, preview your store to see your new font in action. You might need to clear your browser cache to see the update.
This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to receive the latest news.